The Algorithm for the Future of Environmental Management (AI), DNA and the Evolution of Civilization. What if artificial intelligence becomes the next force shaping evolution itself? In this thought-provoking exploration of the algorithm for the future of environmental management. 13a Author Pawel Kozycz presents a revolutionary framework connecting AI, environmental systems, genetic infrastructure, and the future evolution of matter and life. This video examines artificial intelligence as a new environmental force, DNA, DAA, and natural intelligence systems. The transformation of environmental governance, AI-driven infrastructure and cosmic evolution. The future of civilization, technology, and environmental control. How human intervention reshapes matter, life, and reality itself. The book challenges traditional scientific and metaphysical models, proposing a new environmental and civilizational paradigm built on dynamic systems, artificial evolution, and intelligent infrastructure.